Assalamu alaikum. My name is Azhar Khan. I am from class 9G. I am studied in first standard school and college. So today my topic is the photosynthesis and extreme light reaction and dark reaction. So photosynthesis is our topic. Photosynthesis is the combination of two Greek words. Photo means light and synthesis means to manufacture. Photo means light and synthesis means to manufacture. So we will define photosynthesis as the process by which organic substances compound, so you will write compound. Organic compounds are formed from inorganic compound. Inorganic compound with the help of sunlight. With the help of sunlight is called photosynthesis. The process by which organic compounds are formed from inorganic compounds with the help of sunlight is called photosynthesis. For example, CO2 plus H2O. CO2 plus H2O, when combined these two, they give us C6H12O6. So this carbon dioxide and water, H2O, is inorganic, and it gives us C6H12O6. So this is organic. Okay. So this is a little bit about photosynthesis. Now we will discuss the step of photosynthesis. One is light reaction, and another one is dark reaction. So first of all, we will discuss light reaction. So light reaction, it is like independent reaction. It is like dependent reaction. It depends on light. Light dependent reaction. Light reaction depends on sunlight. Okay, it is light dependent reaction, and it takes place in granum of chloroplast. Okay, so light reaction takes place in the granum of chloroplast. Light reaction are of two types. One is cyclic light reaction, and another one is non-cyclic light reaction. So there is nothing about in our book about cyclic light reaction. So we will only discuss non-cyclic light reaction. One is cyclic light reaction, and another one is non-cyclic light reaction. Okay, so to know about the non-cyclic light reaction, first we have to know about the photosystem. Then what is photosystem? So there are two photosystems in the non-cyclic light reaction, in the light reaction. Okay, so photosystem. What is photosystem? Photosystem, the system in which photosynthesis completes. The system in which photosynthesis completes is called photosystem. Okay, so there are two photosystems. One is photosystem 1, photosystem 1, and another one is photosystem 2. Okay, so one is photosystem 1 and another one is photosystem 2. So photosystem 1 absorbs sunlight and range of 700 nanometer, and photosystem 2 absorbs sunlight and range of 680 nanometer. So in cyclic light reaction, only photosystem 1 is involved. So we have not to discuss about photosystem 1. We will only discuss photosystem 2. So in photosystem 2, both the systems are involved. And in cyclic light reaction, both the systems are involved. Okay. So light reaction. Light reaction. This is photosystem 1. Okay. So here and granum of chloroplast, chlorophyll are present. So this is chlorophyll and the granum of chloroplast and the leaf. Okay. So this is photosystem 1. So the sun falls on this photosystem 1. So the electron and chlorophyll of photosystem 2, sorry. This is photosystem 2. Okay. So the electron of chlorophyll and photosystem 2 are excited. 2 electrons are excited. Okay. So when these electrons excited, so they go to plastic phenom. This is plastic phenom. This plastic phenom is proteinous in nature. Okay. And this is electron acceptor. Here in plastic phenom, redox reaction occur. First, it accepts electron, so it reduced. Okay, so reduction occur here, and then it gives electron. It removes electron to photosystem 1. Okay, so here oxidation occurs. So in plastic phenom, redox reaction occur. So when these electrons move to photosystem 1 through electron transport chain. Okay, so this is electron transport chain. Cytochrome complex. It is also called cytochrome complex. This is electron chain transport. So when these electrons move toward photosystem 1 through electron chain transport, so these electrons lost energy. Okay, so here ADP is present. And phosphate is also present. So when these electrons release energy, so by the release energy of electron, ADP is formed. Okay, so here energy comes from electron, which is lost by electron, so ATP is formed. Here ATP is formed. This is the product of light reaction, which is then used in the dark reaction. Okay, so when these electrons, now the electrons are in photosystem 1, so the sun falls again on photosystem 1, and the electron and photosystem 1 are again excited. 2 electrons are again excited and move toward pyridoxine reducing substance. Its function is this. It is reduction, pyridoxine reducing substance. So here NADP is present. Here NADP is present. So this redoxing reducing substance reduce this NADP by 2 electrons. So here it becomes N. So these 2 electrons come here. Okay. So we also know about photolysis. That what is photolysis? So photolysis means that the broken down of H2O molecule. So H2O broken down is when H2O broken down, so it gives 2 hydrogen molecule and half O2 and plus 2 electron. So it gives 2 hydrogen molecule, half O2 molecule and 2 electron. So this half O2, here 1 oxygen is present, okay, so half O2. O2 is not present in atomic state in nature, so we write as O2, okay. So this O2 molecule come out to our environment, okay, and this 2 hydrogen come here and bond it with NADP and form NADPH2 and form NADPH2 and form NADPH2, and these 2 electrons are again come here to photosystem 2 and again are excited, and this process continue by this way, in this way, okay. So this ATP, where is ATP? ATP and NADPH2 are the product of light fraction, which is then used in the dark fraction. So this is little bit about light fraction. Now dark fraction. Now we will discuss dark fraction. Dark reaction. Simple. Dark reaction is light independent reaction. It doesn't require no sunlight. Okay? It doesn't mean that it occurs in the night. It occurs in the night also, but in the day also. But it doesn't require any sunlight. Okay? So dark reaction is light independent reaction.